Welcome back to a new episode of Veleno Performance Exhaust Installation, and today we're at Lemanseurogarage to do an installation for an M performance car. And with us today, we have this beautiful year 2020 model, a BMW M2 Competition. Alright, now let us move up closely to have a look at this Velenoperformance full stainless steel Catback exhaust system for this M2C, finished in beautiful quad tips stainless steel material. And not to forget our most iconic Valvetronic system in the market. Look at the beautiful fine finishing of this Velenoperformance exhaust. Even with this tiny little logo welded on, looks amazing. Wow, this owner has also upgraded his intakes to the Valvetronic carbon intakes. On a side note, if you're looking for any performance parts, do get in touch with our sales team for any assistance. This car has also upgraded an FTP Motorsport charge pipe. Now let us move back to the exhaust installation. Alright, now we lay the Veleno exhaust side by side with the stock exhaust that was just taken out from the car. We can see the mid resonator has been deleted, and the biggest difference is the rear big mufflers has been split into two smaller mufflers on each side. Alright, after a few hours, the Le Mans team have done the installation and wiring process. Now, they are generally checking the car's condition to make sure it's running smoothly. I've got a little surprise for you guys in this video. A previous M2 customers who installed our titanium Catback exhaust system came in to let us shoot a comparison sound check video for all of you. So stay tuned and watch till the end.
Fill the gaps around the bridge, wish them just good luck, Charlie. I smoke a whole organization, you in class smoking Smarties.
Let us know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to follow our page on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned for the next episode.